Hey guys, your boy Johnny Cash. We are here. We made it safe to Arizona. We're here at my boy Checo shop. His second shop here in Arizona. This one's located actually in Phoenix. As you guys can see, this is his new shop located in Phoenix. I'm right here with my boy Oscar. We just pulled up not that long ago. We're already eating some tostilocos and he's eating
some takis.
Some takis. We came out here to support my boy. He is one of my sponsors. He sponsors my wheels and tires. He sponsors my wheels and tires for all my trucks. For example, he sponsored me on these tires, I think 2 years ago. And today we're going to pick up some wheels and tires. Let me go ahead and show you guys the rims. All right, guys, so these are the wheels right here. Check them out. Some Cosar 24s. These are 24 by 9s, and then on the rears, I think it's 24 by 10 and a half or 11s. I'm not so sure. Just say somewhere in the box. 24 by 10 and a half. So we got these, and then tomorrow we're gonna go to the original shop, the first shop, and we're gonna get new tires installed, mounted and balanced. And these are gonna be going on the GMC Sierra, the SS Club. Anyways, let's walk around. Let's check out the vibes here. Got my tent already set up. We're right next to El Garage Bellico. Anyways, let's go ahead and walk around. Gotta switch the tires on this. Put the burners on. They're about to start swinging right now, viejones. About to take the infamous wheels off and put some stocks on.
Yo no fui, fue.
Tú dijiste. Tú dijiste, ¿verdad?
Yeah, sí escuché.
Él es el dueño.
Yeah. The owner right here. What's your Instagram way?
Soy Sergio _.
Make sure to follow him, you guys.
Dulce no sabe nada, dijo.
Got a new friend out here in AZ.
What up, what up, what up?
Compa Chulo 2.0. What's up, Chulo?
What up, what up, what up?
Hell yeah, he's gonna be kicking it with us tonight.
Hell yeah.
Right, Oscar? I can wait.
Met a new friend out here, Chulo. Our new Chulo right here. Chulo 2.0.
Chulo 2.0. Live and direct from Phoenix.
Direct from my home. He checks his beers in the bathroom.
Hey, Chulo, you went to the bathroom and you chugged the beer or what?
Yes.
Hell yeah. Let's go see what these guys are doing. About to swap the tires. Anyways, you guys, while they're doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a walkthrough on Checo's new shop. Thick Vatos, located here in Phoenix, Arizona. So let's see what they got in here. They're still doing some remodels in there. I'm not gonna go in there. Right here, they'll be doing the wraps. Look at that big ass screen. Right here, they have the showroom. You got 20s, 18s, 22s, some 24s over there, IROX. They got a bathroom. This is the front.
I'm gonna get you guys, man.
You got the banda going on right there. Got the food vendor. Let's go over here. I just ate some tacos from here. This is good. It's gas. Make sure to follow them, viejones. That's their Instagram right there. did better.
The Ranger did better.
The Ranger for the win. And the Ranger pumped the tire too. Next up, the Chevy. Sin miedo al éxito. Un taco de llanta. Dice un taco de llanta, no mames. Oh, fuck.
¿Dónde anda el viejo?
Un taco de llanta.
¡Pinche taco de llanta! ¡Acábense la pinche llanta, loco! ¡Viejo, quita esa...
Watch out, Jerry! The Ford. Yeah, I almost got killed, Jay. You didn't even tell me nothing, man. Got some ass en carnitas.
Que si viejo no sea cría de correjones, viejo, para
Ahora, ¡Sai! Ahora me plebe, se llama Marisa, vamos a mirarle más de los temas. Yo ya agarré sticker, camisa, un gancho para la ropa. ¡Puro tic bato, viejo! A ver, A ver, fue el del carro rojo. Fue el del carro rojo, güey. El del carro rojo es el de los bomberos. El del carrito rojo, el del Focus, güey. Páralo.
Where the fuck are you going?
Hey,
I'm going home, dog. What do you mean you're going home? You're going with Jerry. Jerry.
¿Cuándo?
He said he's going home.
Cualquiera, güey.
Yeah, wait, hey. Don't tell me you're scared of the cops.
I'm not, bro. It's just that.
Man, it's late already. You need to
Yeah,
go buy your
but
truck
check
tomorrow, huh?
Yeah,
You're not gonna be able to sleep. You're excited?
yeah, bro.
That's right, my boy. Congrats. Keep it up, viejo.
Yeah.
Oh, next time I see you, better toss me the keys. I'm just swing it.
Yeah.
Deal?
Yeah, deal.
Oh no, you're coming home with me.
Wait,
Oh no, you're gonna think about it.
I'm thinking about it, and I'll hit you up on
That's
your
not
Instagram
good.
way.
Well, my boy, nice seeing you.
Hey, release the cooch.
Chopping there.
Listos que todas las muchachas quieren bailar, blancas, morenas y güeritas. Quieren gozar, si tú quieres bailarlo solo, hazlo también. Puedes moverte con el ritmo, puedes que se les sale bonita.
What is going on, viejones? Llegó la migra. We're rolling in deep. Chopper in the air. Verga, ¿qué les deben?
Oh yeah, they even got the undercover.
They rolled up deep. Oh fuck, he got a gun. Oh damn.
That's it. Grab me, Mike. Grab me. That's it.
Oh shit, Jerry. Damn, they got guns and everything.
Oh no.
Fuck, let me zoom in that power in.
One.
Hey Lalo, stand in front of me, güey, no mames.
Es antibalas el Lalo.
Verga, they got guns out. And everything. What the fuck? Ow! What the fuck?
No que no corremos.
Hey, that's tear gas. What the fuck? Hey, no salgas, no salgas. What the fuck? No mames. Jerry, what the fuck?
No, you got hit. Oh, you're gonna fucking saldo.
Go back there, go back there.
No que no corríamos.
Go back there. Down. Hey, no se puede agitar Lalo así, qué verga. Hey, close the door.
Carla!
Hey, close the door.
Where's Pablo? Y la sucio, ¿dónde
What the fuck? Lalo, te caíste, güey. Y se cayó, güey. Hey, Dulce. Hey, you guys don't have AC in here? Hey, checo.
Okay.
Hey, no más. Esa madre huele bien feo. Back. Damn, that's fucked up. No mames.
Where's Pablo? Where's Pablo?
Checo, God damn. Fuck. Chulo, you okay, my boy?
You were the
Chulo.
You were the first one to run, huh?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. Hey.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie.
Aquí huele peor.
I'm not gonna lie, there was people on the floor.
Lalo fell. Lalo fell. What the fuck? What happened? You don't smell it? Get in here. Hey, we're gonna close this door. They started shooting.
They shot me. I don't think I told them on my foot.
What the fuck?
It was the guy just putting like music.
What the fuck? Lalo! Lalo! Come over here! Lalo, no more tacos here, Lalo. Where's Oscar? Oscar, get in here, nigga. Yeah, close the door, Lalo. What?
Lalo, te
What the fuck?
No mames, güey. Me caí, a ti acá maneo plan. ¿Qué, viejo? ¿Sodas gratis?
Vámonos, Ricky. Vámonos, Ricky.
Ahí está. On me, drinks on me. I want my people good. I want the
Damn, what the fuck? Hey, güey, yo ya me ando cagando a la verga.
Yes, my boy Jason is doing right now.
You good? You good? You good, Chulo?
I was the first one to run inside.
That's what's up, Chulo. So guys, it is the next day. Andamos bien crudos and tired. Where we made it here to Checo's, the first shop, the OG shop. Ando con mi compa Oscar, Titino, and Lalo. About to get some tires mounted on the intros and the Cosarts. My boy Lalo is also getting some tires. These right here. Let's load these bad boys up. Right, Lalo? Para que me llantan el Civic? Hell yeah. Huge shout out to Checo. ¿Usted qué? ¿Más anda parado o qué?
Eso es porque soy yo.
Gotta load these up.
We need to acomodarlos, ¿no?
Yeah, we'll organize them right now. Like this, no?
Viejo, ¿dónde se van a llevar tantas llantas, viejo?
Bam, we found my tires right here. 275, 3024s. Let's take them out. Oscar, let's roll these fuckers over there. Hey, these are the ones that I had at the shop.
Oh, yeah.
Gotta sell those too. Sheesh. Found them. Got the new tires and rims fresh out the box. These are going on my Sierra SS clone, and then the intros, those are going back on the green machine, the Jerry. Right now the Viejon is balancing the tires, make sure there's no shakiness. This one's already ready to go. The front runners, balanced, mounted, and everything. One more. 7 more to go. Hell yeah. Damn, Viejon got the first ones on. Hell yeah.
Alright guys, I want to give a huge shout out to Big Vatos and Tires for sponsoring us for some wheels and tires.
Make sure to check them out. They have 2 locations. They have one here in Mesa and the other one that they just opened in Phoenix. They do rims, tires, lift kits, alignments. They also do UTVs, wraps. If you guys need any wheels and tires, make sure to check them out. They also do financing. And this is the number right here, 480-490-4683. Make sure to check them on Instagram at Big Vatos Wheels and Tires. So that's a wrap, you guys. We got All new tires, Jerry's and mine's on the Cozarts and on the Cholos. And Lalo got some tires too. On the Civic, Lalo? You want on the Civic or what?
Simon.
Why you laughing, dick? Fuck it, let's go. Back to Checo's house. Hey, muchas gracias. Make sure to check them out. Big Vatos right here. This one's in Mesa. Vamos.
Fuga.